I don't want to speak more because time is too short. It will be, I like to interact with the people. Instead of giving the speech just like technical and this habit, the politicians' habit is to give more speech, talk more, walk less. So I don't like this. I want that talk less, walk more. Only Javed-ji, Kulkarni-ji, Pawan-ji all requested me to say something about Bengal. It is a big history. I cannot say right now all the details. But you know that we are celebrating this year, the next year also this 75 years of our independence. So Lal Bal Pal, there is a bridge between Bengal and Maharashtra. The Lala Rajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Even Rabindranath Tagore, this Marathi the Veer, Shivaji, how Rabindranath Tagore wrote a poem in favor of Shivaji that everybody knows. So our relation is very good. We want to build up that relation. And Mumbai is a financial capital of India. You have the cultural capital also. And there is a bridge between Maharashtra and Mumbai and Calcutta. We also do the cultural festival, film festival, this Tele Academy, we have the music academy, the Lok Posha Shilpi, we give help to the 2 lakhs, more than 2 lakhs, then rural artisans, this artist, especially the pension, more than 2 lakhs artists we have. Like this in Bengal, only in a short while I can tell you that we have the free ration. What Medaji will be very happy to see. We give free ration to each and everybody. Number 2, we have the free health. Hospital is totally free. From kidney operation to heart operation, all free. Free medicine we give. And instead of that, we have one Shastra Shati project that women of the family is the empowerment. They get smart card. They can spend 5 lakhs for the family in private hospital also. We have full free education for girl child. All the government schools, colleges and universities, they get Kanyasri. And we have got #1 award for United Nations for public program. So ration is free, education is free, health is free. We give free tree plantation also. When a newborn baby born, we give a good tree so that it can also be built up and it will be useful for them. Like this, we have the scholarship for the general students, the minorities, the Christians, all. And we started Lakshmi Bhandar to empower the women. We give 500 rupees every woman of the family so that it is they can spend this money for their own purpose. And for the scheduled caste tribes, they get 1,000. We give all the widows pension.
এখন নিউজ দেখুন আপনার সময় মতো, আপনার হাতের মুঠোয়, রাজ্য দেশ দুনিয়া। ডাউনলোড করুন জি 24 ঘন্টা অ্যাপ। এক ক্লিকেই পান সব আপডেট।